to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a project on Replit AI. So guys, as we know that in the era of the AI, here you see there is very brilliant application and coding. You can say that like it's a agent that helps to create your websites, mobile app, designs, slides and animations. Okay, so guys, this is called Replit. Now first you just logged in with your simple Google accounts. Okay, and after that login, sorry, I'm choosing the wrong mail. I'm just go back, just go and click here. Okay, now simply click the option of continue. After that, here you see this is my agent is ready. Okay, now it asks me here you can build and you type your website. So we are choosing the website. Now here I am show you one thing, that if you want to create anything is good. So guys, first of all you create a very important, sorry, you just create a very good prompts. For creating the good prompts, guys, you try to use ChatGPT. Okay, so you simply go for ChatGPT. So guys, here recently I am created one football website, football club website. So today we change the prompts and we are try to creating a cricket website. So I'm just enter the prompt, same prompt for cricket club. Now guys, here you see that I am just first my prompt is create a proper prompts for full website of the football club in the student in which the student can register and check upcoming events. Now I want this same prompts for the cricket web club. So recently I am created for the football club and here it's give me a prompts for the cricket club. Okay, create a modern responsive professional cricket club website for the school. Main page, full screen, hero banner, club logo, login, registration, all of these things are shows. Here it shows the different teams and players directory. Now you simply just copy this prompts and put it into your Replit AI. After put, guys, make sure that you are choosing the website. Okay, and click the option of enter and start begin. So it's take few time to complete this process. Until the process is complete, you just wait. And now guys, here you see there is a one beep sound and it shows that your daily AI credit limit that I am use 67%. If you want to upgrade, so you just click here and here you check the pricing. So free daily agent credits, built-in database, full stack, publish up to one project, publish private password protected, and in the $20 you get more things. Okay, now you just close it and guys, here you see that my website is ready and around 15 pages it's create, like homepage, about, player details, admin page and 404 error code. Okay, deep navy plus gold premium, this is our theme and here is my real data from the database and this is my API, like live club status, upcoming match, directory. So when I move it and open it in the full screen, so guys, this is my very beautiful website of cricket. Okay, now when I go for the about section, it's my about, then this is my our teams, senior team, under 12 team, under 17 team, 15 team. Here is my player directory, then my matches, events, tournaments, news, gallery. Okay, now when I go for the admin dashboard, so you just go here and this is my admin dashboard, players, matches, tournaments. So this is the way that you can create a website on your Replit AI. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.